So, some of you may know, if you've been watching all my vlogs and videos, that my mum and dad tested positive for the coronavirus and they are currently in Japan. So if this is news to you, a few weeks ago they were enjoying their 50th wedding anniversary on the cruise ship. Sorry, I can't concentrate and talk at the same time. Yeah, they're enjoying their 50th wedding anniversary on that cruise ship, which docked into Yokohama Bay, and then they were put into quarantine. Literally the day they docked. So and if you haven't seen any of the stuff on my mum and dad, just Google Sally and David Abel, A-B-E-L. I remember I told my dad the first day, I said, okay, this is crap, Dad, but you're in a safe place, your mum will be fine, you know, we're positive, we are, I've got to use my words correctly, we're positive that you're going to test negative, but unfortunately I'm in the wrong lane. I'm not, see, this is what happens when you start talking. Yeah, we're positive you're going to test negative. You know, hang on in there and do what you do best, Dad. Do what you do best, and start doing daily blogs on YouTube and stuff. So he did that, and his account's now gone from like 1,000 subscribers to 28,000 subscribers as of today, 1st of March. So they do like 2 or 3 live vlogs every day from the hospital in Japan. So unfortunately they did test positive. They're one of the 4 Brits who were taken to hospital for treatment, and obviously we also heard this weekend, I think on Friday, that one of those British people died. Thankfully it wasn't my dad, but still very bad news nevertheless. It's all quite serious, and yeah, it's kind of like very, very surreal what's going on, because I haven't seen my mum and dad now for weeks and weeks and weeks, and we just don't know when they're coming back, because obviously you've got the virus that's out there, it's getting worse in Japan. They had to test negative twice. I thought it used to be 3 times. It's still a bit unclear whether they actually are going to be released upon the second consecutive negative result. But then it's a case of how do they get back? Can they contract it again? It's all very unclear, because it's all very, very new to everybody, isn't it? That's exactly how accidents happen, by that woman there.